Hi, this is Bill from AME Repairs. This is a tech tip. What I'm going to show you now is how to release this piston if it goes up and it won't come down and get stuck. And this applies to the 13140, which I have here, the 13120, and also the 13170. First thing you do is you're going to get your coupler. Make sure your valve is open all the way. Coupler, going to attach it. I'm going to get my hose. Now, I didn't connect this all the way, because most of the issues that people have is they get in a hurry and they don't secure the coupler onto the female piece on the unit. So I'm going to demonstrate what happens if you don't connect it properly. I'm going to raise it up. This piston is extended all the way. It's going to have hydraulic fluid in here. These connectors have two ball bearings on either side. If they're not securely tightened, they're not going to meet and push one another in. Now, if I try to lower this, it's not going to go anywhere because I did not make sure that this was tightened all the way. Okay, you can take a 1 1/4 inch box wrench, pair of channel locks is fine, and you're just going to snug this up. Okay, now you can see that these are snug, tight as I could get them. There's no gap between the connectors, and we'll try and release it. And now it's retracting. Mainly what I see is that these aren't tight enough, and that's the issue they have with them not retracting down. Obviously, you want to make sure that you don't have any leaks anywhere, that this the valve is opened all the way to allow flow, because all the fluid's coming from here, going up in here, going back to my reservoir of my pump. So as long as there's no leaks, everything's tight here, this is opened all the way, it should retract. But if I had weight on here, obviously a vehicle or something, it would go down a lot quicker because there's more weight to it. A couple of tips of retracting your piston. If it doesn't retract, make sure these are tight. Like I said, there's two ball bearings. They're going to push each other and allow flow both ways to fill, to raise it, and also to lower it. And make sure that your valve here is opened all the way. Follow us for more tech tips.